So today I am putting on the last sleeve of this knit sweater, which I'm so excited about, and I'm just going to show you how I sew the drop sleeves on my sweaters. It's kind of like grafting, but instead of two even parallel, we're just going to do one row to one stitch instead of one stitch to one stitch, right? I just love the way this looks. It looks so neat and tidy when it's done. I do like to keep it snug so I can pull as I go a little bit, but it's picking up one row and then you pick up one stitch just like that, similar to grafting. Yes, I understand my yarn is too long, but I'm always err on the side of too long than too short, because I've made that mistake before. But it just looks so nice, and it looks better than a whip stitch to me, or just sewing it normal. I just love the way this looks, and I think it looks it just gives it a more finished or professional look. And here you're going to see I have 2 rows left to go with that last stitch, so I just pick up the 2 rows with a 1 stitch. So that's how you kind of work them together. And then I'll just show you here what it looks like when it's all done. Doesn't that look so nice and neat and tidy? So I hope this is helpful for you, and happy knitting!